Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Holy Outdoor. Today, we have another comparison, this time between two popular Uniden handheld radio scanners, the Uniden Bearcat BC125AT and the Uniden BC75XLT. If you're trying to decide which one is right for you, stick around because we're diving deep into their features, performance, and value. And as always, you can find links to these radio scanners and prices in the description below. First up, let's talk about design and build quality. The Uniden Bearcat BC125AT feels solid in the hand. It sports a large LCD display and well-spaced, soft rubber buttons that provide a nice tactile feedback. The grooves on the sides make it easy to grip, but the plastic casing feels a bit on the cheaper side, so you might want to be cautious about dropping it. On the other hand, the Uniden BC75XLT is also compact and lightweight, making it a breeze to carry around. It has a similar feel in terms of build quality, but neither scanner has a backlit keypad, which can make them a bit tricky to use in low-light conditions. Between the two, I find the BC125AT's larger screen and better keypad layout make it slightly more user-friendly, especially when navigating through menus. Frequency coverage is a crucial factor when choosing a radio scanner. The BC125AT covers from 25 MHz to 512 MHz, including the VHF high band, civil airband, and importantly, the military airband, from 225 to 380 MHz. This makes it an excellent choice for aviation enthusiasts who want to monitor both civilian and military communications. The BC75XLT, however, covers from 25 MHz to 512 MHz, but skips the military airband entirely. So if you're into military aviation, the BC75XLT might not meet your needs. In terms of frequency coverage, especially for aviation fans, the BC125AT clearly has the upper hand. Now let's discuss programming and usability. The BC125AT shines with its alpha tagging feature, allowing you to assign names to your channels. This is super handy when you're trying to keep track of who you're listening to. Programming the scanner is straightforward, and Uniden provides free software that makes it even easier. You can even copy and paste frequencies from an Excel spreadsheet, which is a huge time saver. The BC75XLT, on the other hand, doesn't support alpha tagging. This means you'll have to remember which frequency corresponds to which channel, or keep a list handy. It also offers PC programming, but it's not as intuitive as the BC125AT system. So if ease of use and channel organization are important to you, the BC125AT is the better choice. Both scanners come packed with useful features, but there are some differences worth noting. Both the BC125AT and the BC75XLT include Uniden's close call RF capture technology. This feature detects and tunes into nearby transmissions, which is great when you're on the move and want to catch local communications. They also both offer NOAA weather alerts and have pre-programmed service searches for popular bands like police, fire, ham, marine, and more. However, the BC125AT steps it up with CTCSS and DCS squelch modes. This allows for rapid searching of tones and codes used on some channels, reducing interference when multiple agencies are using the same frequency but different tones. Another significant difference is the number of channels. The BC125AT offers 500 alpha tag channels organized into 10 banks of 50 channels each. In contrast, the BC75XLT provides 300 channels in 10 banks. Depending on how many frequencies you want to monitor, this could be a deciding factor. So for advanced features and more channel capacity, again, the BC125AT has the edge. Performance is key when it comes to radio scanners. In my experience, the BC125AT delivers excellent performance, especially in the civil and military airbands. It holds its own even when compared to higher-end receivers like the ICOM R6. Users have reported that it pulls in signals impressively well and offers good sensitivity. The BC75XLT performs adequately for general scanning and is a solid choice for casual listeners. However, as mentioned before, its lack of military air coverage limits its usefulness for aviation enthusiasts. When it comes to audio quality, the BC125AT provides clear and loud audio, suitable even in noisy environments like a car. The BC75XLT has decent audio, but doesn't quite match up to the BC125AT's clarity and volume. Overall, if performance is a priority, especially for aviation scanning, the BC125AT comes out on top. Battery life is an important consideration, especially if you're out and about. Both scanners use two AA batteries, which is convenient since you can easily carry spares. With the BC125AT, users have reported getting about 4 to 6 hours of use with the backlight on continuously. If you turn the backlight off, you can extend that to around 9 hours. The BC75XLT offers similar battery life. A neat feature is that it supports USB charging if you're using rechargeable batteries, which can be handy when you're near a power source. However, heavy use of the backlight will reduce battery life. Neither scanner is exceptional in this area, so I recommend carrying extra batteries or a portable charger if you plan on extended use. Let's talk about price and value for money. The BC125AT is priced around $120 to $150, but can often be found for less online. Considering its advanced features like alpha tagging, military airband coverage, and CT/CSS/DCS decoding, it's a solid investment for serious enthusiasts. The BC75XLT is generally more affordable. You will find it less than $100 in most retailers. If you're a casual listener or just getting into scanning, the BC75XLT offers great value. But if you're looking for more advanced features and greater flexibility, the BC125AT provides more bang for your buck. So which one should you choose? If you're new to scanning or need a basic scanner for general use, the Uniden BC75XLT is a solid choice. It's easy to use and covers the essential frequencies most people are interested in. Plus, the lower price point is appealing. However, if you're serious about scanning, especially aviation, including military air, or you value features like alpha tagging and CT/CSS/DCS decoding, the Uniden Bearcat BC125AT is the way to go. Yes, it costs a bit more, but the additional features and superior performance make it worth the investment. Personally, I'd go with the BC125AT because it offers more flexibility and room to grow as you delve deeper into the hobby. Thanks for joining me in this comparison of the Uniden Bearcat BC125AT and the BC75XLT. I hope this helped you make an informed decision. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more reviews and suggestions. Do you have experience with either of these scanners? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts.